Okay, so B&T is very famous for their suppressors, and basically a couple years ago they started doing these 3D printed ones. They come in Inconel or titanium. So a real B&T suppressor, it performs very well, obviously, but it's also very expensive. So a lot of our customers have asked us, hey, will you guys ever do a replica version of these suppressors? So I actually brought over a pre-production version of the replica. It's actually printed of aluminum, so it's actually lighter. But as you can tell, side by side, the surface looks pretty much the same. Obviously, this is a complete suppressor. It's a lot heavier. It's a lot more dense. Also, the hub right here is actually a little bit different. This is for a rifle. But if you put them side by side, you can tell that they look very, very similar, okay? So we're gonna have these coming out soon in multiple configurations. So right now, this is actually meant for, this is a PrintX RRBS. So this would go really well with our APC 9K and it's Tri-lug Quick Release. So this is just a validation sample for me to bring over for Carl himself to go through. Obviously, there are certain things that replica that we can't do, so some of the dimensions have to change so that the airsoft replica version can't be mixed up with the real one. But as always, we try to go as close as we can to get you the best replica that we can. All these silencers. So these are all pistol silencers, obviously. And that's a little guy they used in the Hush Puppy. So we're gonna be making that very soon. It's the mini jet. So you got all these PrintX ones here. So they actually have a lot more stuff here at the store than at the showroom. So Carl actually told me you gotta go shoot the store if you want to see more B&T products. So these are the bigger cans, so you can see that is a 7.62, right? And then down here, we got some Rotex. So now they're doing the Rotex and also the printed. So over here, or there's some of the CNC cans. So Carl was telling me that in Europe they still make printed as well as CNC, but in the US they're all 3D printed. So a bunch of scopes, red dots, obviously aim points, all their mounts, right? And then there are more pistols here in the lower. Work our way up. Magazines, and then flashlights.